Hi all. So in this video we are going to learn about cascading style sheets, and this is our part 3 in chapter 4. Part 1 and part 2 is having introduction and other properties of our cascading style sheet. And here in this video we are going to learn about HTML inline style and text properties in CSS file. Okay, so these two things we are going to learn in part 3 of cascading style sheet in chapter 4. First, we are going to start with inline style. Inline style is one of the methods used to apply CSS on the elements of a web page. So here, inline style is used to apply the CSS to the selected or particular elements. And so here, a declaration is given with each individual element with the help of the style attribute. Once the element is used once, when you are using it for the next time, the attributes, the values, the properties, whichever you used will not be used again, will not be applied again in the second time. So once you use, it can be applied only once. When you are using the same tag again, it cannot be applied. It will not have the same attribute of that particular tag for the second time. So let me show an example for this. HTML head, all these are as usual, and now we are going for inline style, so that I'm applying inside body. So until head everything's same, just like a normal HTML program, and inside body I'm just giving a statement like we are using inline style here so that you will understand. Next, I'm using the style over here for HR tag. HR tag is used to give a horizontal line. Okay, so here I'm using the property, inline style property, with colon 50%. So width of the line will be 50%, and then background color of the line is green, and then height is 10. Already we have learned about the attributes of HR style, so just compare with that. Okay, so now the next statement which I'm giving us a simple HR tag without style rule. I'm going to use the HR tag once again, but it is a simple HR tag. It will not give any style. It will not use any style. Then the third statement, the declaration has to be repeated in order to apply the same effect. So I'm using the same over here so that we'll have, like, we have some style, without style, and with style again. Now I'm closing the paragraph and we are closing the body also. Now let us see the output for this program. So we just used the HR tag attribute twice, the inline attributes twice. So here is the output for this. We are using the inline style here. So 50% of the page is having the line, and it is coming in green color, and as per our program the height is 10 points. Next, simple HR tag without any style is this line. So this is HR line, nothing is no attribute is used over here, so it is coming for the full page, and there is no color, and the height is also, it is normal height, default height. Then again I'm using the same attribute for this HR tag, so I'm getting green color, 50% is only occupied, and it is coming in 10 feet of height. Okay, so this is how the inline style is working. So wherever I'm using, it will be applied only for that particular element. When I'm not using it, it will be as a normal HTML tag. Okay, so this is what inline method, inline style in HTML. Next, we are going to see about text properties in HTML CSS. So what are text properties? Already we have learned about background properties, right? So background properties, in the previous video when we are learning about background properties, it was about the background, how to change the background, how to give background color, how to use background image, all these things we have learned. Same here, when we are going to use text properties, we are going to have the attributes of text. How are we going to decorate the text that we are going to see here. So text properties control the appearance of the text, how your text is going to appear in your web page. So that you are going to learn here. Properties which are available under text: text align, text decoration, color of the text, text transform, text shadow, text indent, word break, and line height. So these are the properties are available for text, and all these things we are going to learn one by one. So the first one is text align. So text align is used to apply for a block of text. Example is like a heading, paragraph, and then a table, row and table column. So it is for a block of text. Okay. It is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text inside the block. So when you are selecting a block of text, suppose if it is a paragraph, the alignment, horizontal alignment of the text can be done using the text align property. Syntax for this is text hyphen align colon value, always from the beginning. So we are just using the same kind of properties. When we are using the hyphen is important, and even the colon, after colon we are giving the value. Here value is nothing but left, right, center, and justify. So we all know that there are 4 types of alignment are available in every software. So or that 4 is mentioned here: left, right, and center, and justify. So whichever you need, you have to enter here in the place of value. So this is text align. Next we are going to see about text decoration. So text decoration can be applied to the text for the specific text, not for all the text. So syntax for this is text decoration colon value, where value is nothing but underline. You have to use these text instead of value. Underline is used to underline your text. Overline, a line will come above your text. Line through, strike through. Strike through is nothing but line through here. Blink, the particular text will be keep on blinking on the screen. So how your Amazon is showing the blinking text on the screen. And none is nothing but only for some time. If you are not going to use that particular decoration, you can use none in the place, and after some time when you are changing it, you can add that. So none is nothing but no text effect. So that is text decoration. Next we are going to see about color of text color. So setting the color of the text, syntax for this is color colon value. So value, color name, or you can give RGB color code, or you can even give hexadecimal color code. So just like how we applied the font property, font attribute here, same here, color name, RGB color code, or hexadecimal color code. In these 3 you can give any one in the place of value. So this is text color. And then text transform. So this is used to transform the letters in a text into uppercase, lowercase, capitalize the first letter of each word. So this is like your in Microsoft Word. Even in Microsoft Word we have these options, converting every letters, all the text inside that selected part will be converted into uppercase, means capital letters, lowercase is small letter, capitalize the first letter of each word. So all these options are available even in Microsoft Word. Okay, so syntax for that is text hyphen transform colon value, capitalize. So this is capitalize the first letter of each word. So this in the same way I've given, first letter is in capital letter, all other letters are in small. Then uppercase, just like the same how I have mentioned here the word uppercase, all the letters will come in capital letters. Again here lowercase, all the letters will come in small letter. None is no text effect will be applied. So this is text transform. Next we are having text shadow. Text shadow is nothing but just like your object shadow which we are using in our Microsoft Word. So adds a shadow around the text. So this may not be supported by all the browsers, but you can use it. All the browsers in the case, like few versions will not support this kind of text shadow, but all the latest versions of browsers are supporting this feature. So syntax for text shadow is text hyphen shadow colon value. In the place of value, H shadow, V shadow, and color. H shadow is nothing but horizontal shadow. V shadow is vertical shadow. Color specifies the color of shadow. Suppose if you want to add any color for your shadow, you can use it over here. So this is about text shadow property. Next property is text indent. Indent is nothing but indentation of the first line. So indentation is nothing but like leaving space. Suppose when you're starting a paragraph, we will leave some space and we'll start the paragraph, right? Same here. Indentation is nothing but leaving the space before you start your paragraph. So that is indentation. Syntax for that is text hyphen indent colon value. So here, so in the place of value, you have to mention that value in length. That can be mentioned either in pixel or in percentage. Pixel means you have to tell me how many pixels you need to move, or you have to tell the browser that how much percentage, like 50% we used to for inline function in HR tag, right? Same here. So even the percentage or the pixel, either one you can use it for value for text indent. Okay. So the next one is word break. So word break is nothing but line breaking rules. Okay, specify the line breaking rules. Syntax for this is word hyphen break colon value. Value is normal, break all or keep all. And the last one is line height. Line height is used to specify the space between two lines of the text. Okay, so this is also another type of alignment in our Microsoft Word in the same way. So line space between the lines. Okay, so syntax for this is line hyphen height colon value, where in the place of value you can either enter the number or length or percentage, even you can give normal. Okay, so these are the text properties available in CSS HTML pack. Okay, next I'm going to show you an example which is having all these text properties together in a single program. So here I'm just giving the text properties as the title of my web page. So style type is equal to text CSS. So this usually we'll use. Body, color of the text is blue. Text hyphen decoration is underlined so that all my text in my web page will get underlined. Then paragraph tag, text indent is 30 pixel, which means 30 pixel you will get indentation space when the paragraph is starting. Okay, next text transform is capitalize each word, I mean first letter of each word. It will capitalize the first letter of each word. Then line height is 1.5. This is 1.5 space I'm leaving between the lines. Next H1 heading tag, text align center, so my heading will come at the center of my page. Then text shadow is 2 pixel in red. Okay, so I'll get a shadow for my heading and the shadow will come in red color. So here I'm closing the style which I opened here. So all these are common for all my web page, I mean the text in my web page. Next I'm closing here. Now I'm opening body. H1 success. Here I'm not using any attributes as it is not an inline. Suppose if it is an inline function, we have to type the attributes properties only here. Instead I just used everything over here. So H1 success, I'm just closing it. So whichever properties I have applied here for H1, everything will get applied here. Next paragraph style, word break all, and I'm giving a sentence for paragraph. Then word break keep all, same sentence again for paragraph. Then body closing, HTML closing. So this is my example which is having, I think which this program includes all the properties of your text properties in HTML CSS. So next I'm going to show the output for this program. So yes, so my heading is coming at the center part and it is having red color shadow. Okay, so those are the properties we use for heading, and here this is for break all and this is for keep all. Okay, so it is, the text is underlined as I have used my first letter capitalized, so first letter of each word is being capitalized and it is coming at the center. Here I have indentation even. Okay, so this is how my text property is used in my CSS HTML program. Okay, so I think it's clear for everyone. So in the next video I'm going to show the example and explain about font properties of CSS. So if you have any comments about this video, you can put it in the comment box, and even your doubts, and if you try any programs you can put it in the comment box even. Thank you. Happy learning.